Buenas tardes, clase. Vamos a repasar la gramática. Tonight we're going to be talking about subject pronouns. Subject pronouns can be singular, referring to one person, or plural. Notice both the words singular and plural are cognates to English. So the word in Spanish for singular is singular. Clase repita. Singular. Singular. And the word for plural is plural. Plural. Repita. Plural. Singular. Okay? First person is yo. Yo. Second person is tú. Remember that there are 4 ways to say you in Spanish. So second person singular is what we call familiar. The tú in this sentence would be someone you speak to whom you know by their first name. Tú. The other way to say you in Spanish is to say usted. Usted is you if I call you by a title. Usted. And unlike English, usted is third person, even though it means you, which is second person singular. So we have you in the second person. I call you by your first name. And we have you in the third person that goes with he or she. Normally, third person only denotes when you are talking about another individual, because remember, these are singulars. So he in Spanish is él, él. And she in Spanish is ella, él, ella. Now we'll go to the plurals. The plurals are when more than one person is the subject of the sentence. So we learned today in class, I plus another person is we. We. And here is the picture for we. You see the boy and the girl are including themselves in the group, and there is more than one person. We in Spanish is nosotros. Nosotros. And we learned Spanish has another word for we if the person being included in the group and the entire group are just females. And that answer is nosotras. Nosotras. We decided today in class, I decided, we're not going to learn this you form. It's another way to say you if I call a whole bunch of people by their first name. And it's very, I wouldn't say it's uncommon. It's very common in Argentina and some South American countries. But we're not going to learn it. So let's not worry about that today. Now, what is the plural of he? In English, the plural of he is they. They. In Spanish, The plural of he, él, is ellos. Ellos. And the plural of she, ella, which was right here. The plural of she, ella, is ellas. And I don't have an ellas picture, I'm sorry. So third person plural is ellos, ellas, if it's they and it's only girls, and y'all, y'all, ustedes. Remember it begins ustedes. My next video is going to be a practice of some verbs and some verb endings and how to make the verbs conjugated. Hasta luego, clase.